Alright guys, what's up? Today we're gonna do a little car wash on the whip because it's dirty as hell, and we're also gonna install a tachometer because currently it does not have one. So we're gonna put that on the dash, and Shelby's gonna be over here in a few minutes and we're gonna wash it. I'm gonna do a before video, and then we'll obviously show you when we're gonna put the tachometer in, so stay tuned. Alright, it's Shelby. He's back. What did we bring, Shelby? What is this down here?
8,000 RPM tachometer.
And that's got LED in it?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Blue LED. Yeah, we're gonna figure out how to
much was it on eBay?
$11.81.
Damn, I love it. And what else we got?
We got a Panasonic home theater 10-inch subwoofer.
Oh
Gonna
man.
wire her up, ported.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Kelton.
Hell yeah.
And we got some wire strippers for the subwoofer.
Nice.
And we got hella stickers.
We got hella stickers, so we gotta go through there. We're only putting rice and race, so
I got a lot of Jeep stickers, but
we'll go through it, find some dope shit. Yeah. Stay tuned. We're about to get washing. Got the towels, got the soap. Beautiful. All right, so we're washing the car right now, and we figured out that the whole rack just pops off. It's on these little sliders. So yeah, it's already looking a lot better. We've already kind of done the hood. It's got a little bit of shine. We're discovering some more rust areas and problems areas. This paint's chipping off on this seal, and there's some rust, and that makes it super easy to paint the rack. So we're gonna make sure we paint that black because it's almost silver. So we might end up doing that today, but painting the trim will be done in a later episode because that's gonna be a lot of work. So we'll get back when we finish washing. All right, got the car washed. Looks a lot better. A lot better. The true color is kind of showing. It's kind of like metallic-y. I kind of like it. Despite the occasional rust chips, it's not horrible. So yeah, so now we're probably going to begin work on the tachometer, and then if we have time, we'll probably put this home theater sub in, because it's already, I think you guys have already seen, it's kind of got this like ghetto speaker system already going for it before we like bought it. So we should be able to wire that up pretty easily and get it all set and show you guys. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're mounting the tachometer like a wannabe boost gauge, and we're just gonna screw it in here to the sidewall. So we're just screwing it into the plastic or rubber or whatever the hell, but it should be enough to hold it. It's just a plastic little gauge. So we'll come back when that thing's in. We'll set. Okay, so tachometer is mounted. We're currently wiring it. We're gonna kind of like go through the wall here. We've already kind of found a cord that's going through there, so we're just gonna go through with it. But it looks totally mint, and I can't wait to see it. All right, so we popped open the distributor. Here's the cover. It just came right off with the screws, and we're gonna wire the tachometer with the negative wire coming out of it. Well, we're gonna into this right here, and then this goes into there. So hopefully this will work. I think we got the negative one. It was kind of hard to tell. It was either stripe or solid, and we were pretty sure that solid was negative. So stay posted. Hopefully this all gets back together and works the first time, so we don't have to come back and try it on the other wire. All right, so we got it all put back together. Got the battery back plugged in. Got this all wired up. It's not taped or soldered. We haven't decided what we're gonna do with that. But we're gonna start it up and we're gonna see if this shit actually works. Whoa. The LED probably turns on the light. Hey. We have an RP. That's freaking sick, dude. Alright, so it's working, car's running, and it's freaking awesome. I was worried that was gonna work. Alright, so we did find the right cord. If you're ever doing this on a Corolla, wire it up to the one with that's solid. That means it's a negative. Dude, is it?
Yeah, it idles kind of high.
Is it light coming on?
We're gonna have to no, I think I got it. Yeah, I put it in the ignition.
It's supposed to have an LED light on it. But I don't think that's working. But I don't care. We'll figure that out. RPM works. Yeah, we'll figure out the light later. But for now, that's awesome. Oh god. All right. So we got the system wired up. We moved the speaker from the front seat. We kind of like wedged it in the middle of the car, so everyone kind of got equal sound. And then we literally just spliced it from the original wires that the person had put in, and wired it to the back to our beautiful sub. All right, so let's see what it does. Shelby, turn it up.
Thank God for the day came up.
I like it, dude. All right. So we spray painted these boys, and we're kind of touching it up. Some of them we kind of miss the sides, but it looks like 100% better in my opinion. Walmart paint fools. So yeah, we're gonna strap these bitches back on, and let's see what it looks like. Tack again. Nice. All right, so let's take this thing for a drive. Well, safety first, right? Well, I don't even know what's safety not first. Is that dry? Yeah, I think it's dry. Yeah, it's still running smooth. We took the steering wheel cover off. Oh, was that door open? Yeah, well, so we had our door open.
Our door open.
We're not smoking too bad, are we?
No, we're not smoking.
Okay. Alright. Let's get this RPM gauge. So yeah, we're obviously redlining in first gear. So now we have RPM gauge to tell us that. Awesome. So yeah, it's definitely running smoother. Well, not from today, but from yesterday. So I'm liking that a lot. That was smoke.
Guys, we're gonna give it some peel action with the smoke.
Alright, so we're headed back home now. Peeling it out a little bit. Loving the new tach gauge. I love that. So we can, now we know it's definitely redlining. Woo. If not, I mean, we can already hear it. But, so we did that today. Speaker system.
Depot, you can get 10%. These programs where you can get
every single station has a commercial.
the friendly, the one that gave him the slugs, the one that put him in me. The stakes, the grass.
So, did the tachometer today, did the speaker system. I consider it a good day. It's been a good day. We did some work. Car's slowly getting better and better. And we all know what we gotta change here.
All right.
So.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like,
Stay tuned for the
comment.
next episode.
Yes.